What is the average rent in New York City? Watch this quick video for the answer, and please subscribe below so you don't miss my other real estate tips. Hi, I'm Phil, the founder of Frēlē, the free and honest rental marketplace. When people come to New York City, especially for the first time, they often ask the question, can I afford it? Can I afford to rent an apartment here? In this video, I'm going to lay out the different price ranges for different apartment sizes and what you can expect to pay. Let's first look at rooms for rent. In terms of pricing, this is entry level. You'd be sharing the space with others, you'd have roommates, but at least you'd have your own private room. In terms of pricing, most of these apartments will go for between $1,000 and $1,500. Next, let's look at studios. Studios are essentially one big room. You won't have a separate bedroom, but you will have a kitchen and a bath. And it really is the cheapest way to get an apartment in New York City without getting a roommate. And the price range on studios could be between $1,800 and $2,500 a month. Third, let's look at one bedrooms. When you're starting to look at one bedrooms in New York City, you're finally looking at apartments that may look familiar to the rest of the world. And the price range on one bedrooms is between $2,500 and $3,500 a month. And finally, let's look at two bedrooms. As you move up in the world, you're gonna need more space. The price range for most two bedrooms is between $4,500 and $6,500 per month. So those were the average rents in Manhattan. You may wonder what the average rents in Brooklyn are. Brooklyn pricing has started to rival Manhattan pricing in many neighborhoods, although on average, Manhattan is still far more expensive. But to give you a basic idea, the average rents in Brooklyn are about 10 to 30% below Manhattan prices. For more on this or other New York City apartment tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to Frele.com/learn. And remember, you can always find your next home on Frele.com.